What's up guys, welcome back to another video. You're watching Everything Weapons. Today we're discussing the new CZ600 Plus carbine bolt action rifle. All credit to the Firearm blog where I will be reading today. So introduced in 2021, the CZ600 bolt action rifle replaced the entire fleet of legendary CZ500 series rifles in the company's catalog. In 2025, last year, the design of this bolt gun was upgraded and Plus was added to the model name. Over the years, CZ has been continuously expanding the 600 series of firearms, and the latest rifle in this line is the CZ600 Plus carbine, a light and compact mini action bolt gun, right? Mini action means that this rifle is chambered in intermediate length cartridges, specifically the 223 Remington, the 7.62 by 39, and the 300 Blackout. The CZ600 Plus carbine comes with a 10-round detachable box magazine. However, the mag can be locked in place for those who prefer fixed magazines. Like its siblings, the CZ600 Plus carbine also features a user-changeable barrel system. The Cold Hammer forged 18.5-inch ultra-light profile barrels of the CZ600 Plus carbine are nitrated, fitted with a set of adjustable iron sights, and have a M14x1 threaded muzzle. The rifle is guaranteed to print sub-MOA 3-round groups at 100 meters, and the barrel is covered by a lifetime warranty. The receiver of the CZ600 Plus carbine is made out of aluminum with a hard anodized finish and features integrated 1913 rail sections for optics mountings. The action is controlled round feed, and the user adjustable trigger has 4 pull weight settings to choose from: 1.4, 2, 2.5, and 3.1 pounds. And the 600 rifle also features CZ's patented silent ergonomic and ambidextrous safety. The checkring pattern of the varnished beech wood stock is inspired by Brno rifles, and the overall length of the 600 Plus is 37.32 inches, and the unloaded weight is 5.45 to about 5.62 pounds, depending on the caliber choice, of course. So thank you guys very much for watching. Drop a like, subscribe, ring the bell, take a look at the older videos. I will see you guys next time.